What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Onigiri Neko token. Now this token just got listed on CoinGecko just today, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Onigiri Neko. So there is a couple Neko tokens out there already, and there's also a couple Onigiri tokens out there already, so don't get confused with other tokens. Ticker symbol for this one is ONIGI. There is a warning here at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about investing in this token. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you're trading this token. So when there's warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam when there's warnings like that. When the dev can alter the smart contract and whatnot, it can be pretty sketchy. So definitely be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research before even considering buying this token. So this token is actually up 28.1% today, according to CoinGecko. Token price is about 1.2 cents per token. You can find the price chart contract address on CoinGecko, their Etherscan, Twitter, Telegram, and their official webpage, onigitoken.com. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and you would trade your Ethereum for the Neko token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, or you could find it on their Etherscan or their webpage. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, and just be aware that there is going to be some network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. According to their Etherscan, they have 919 holders so far, 3,150 transfers, 9 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 111,111,111 tokens. So, on their official webpage, you can find links to their Facebook, Telegram, CoinGecko, Twitter, Buy Now link, community section, information. It says the newest meme coin on the block. They also have a DEX Tools chart on here you could check out. So Onigiri Neko aims to quickly pave a way in DeFi as it is backed by some of the largest OG investors in the meme coin space. In order to do so, we aspire to have one of the most eccentric communities. We believe communities are built through honesty and work ethic while also remembering to have fun. Onigiri Neko will implement fun utilities for everyone to enjoy as we build. So lots of memes and cool artwork and pictures on their page here if you want to check that out. It says the loudest meme coin community. That's their tagline here. So it looks like there is some taxes on here. It says our tokenomics are designed keeping in mind the comfort of the investors. The buy tax provides for the marketing and the sell tax provides for the Onigiri Neko token redistribution. So you do get reflections for holding this token. Now they're not gigantic reflections or anything like that. It is only 1%. So when you buy this token, there's a 1% tax, and that goes to marketing. When you sell this token, there's a 1% tax, and that just goes to reflections. So you get 1% reflections redistribution of this token. So if you are going to buy or sell this token, you may have to increase the slippage just slightly to around 1%, maybe 2%, something like that. Start low, obviously, keep it at 0.1%, and then try 1, and then try 2 if 1 doesn't work. But yeah, so you might have to change the slippage. So it says, is this token Seifu? It says, yes, investing in Onigiri Neko is a safe bet. Now, obviously take that with a grain of salt. Crypto or any investment in general is never a safe bet. So don't just take things at face value when a token says, hey, we're safe. This is crypto over here. No token is safe. Not even Bitcoin. Not even Bitcoin. All right. Onigiri Neko had a fair launch with no preloaded wallets. The liquidity pool was locked on Team Finance for 2 months at launch. Now, 2 months isn't even a long time. The ownership of the contract is renounced. It says, example, the team cannot do any changes in the smart contract after ownership was sent to the burn address. Now, they're saying that on their webpage, but if you go to CoinGecko, they have that warning at the top of the page that it says there is a tax function in the smart contract to change tax rates. So they can alter the tax rate. So they're saying that ownership has been renounced. So, I mean, they're a little bit conflicting there, right? So this means that if you're looking for an investment opportunity that has been thoughtfully planned and executed by a team of professional developers, then Onigiri Neko is definitely worth looking into. And they do have a link here to their liquidity lock that you could check out on Team Finance. And they have a link to their Etherscan where they say contract has been renounced as well. So what is expected from the community here? It says, we believe that the community is a powerful force and one that we're lucky to be a part of. We want our members to feel like they belong, and we want them to feel like their voice matters. Here's a few things we expect from you. Be respectful to all members of the community, and this, I mean, should be a given for every community. This means listening carefully when someone speaks and taking their feedback seriously. Be an active member of the community. The more you interact with us in person or online, the better. Keep your long-term vision in mind as you participate in our projects. This is a huge undertaking for any project, so be patient and understand that we're all working together on this. Now, they have a roadmap on here. It's a very short roadmap. Now, this is very much a meme token with not tons of utility here. So their roadmap is basically, let's see here. So starting with 1,000 holders. Then we got website launch, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing, influencer partnership, 5,000 holders, website redesign, cross-chain bridge to Polygon. So they got that going. They're going to have liquidity staking with rewards eventually. And then we got 10,000 holders. NFTs are going to come out on Polygon. Then we got, let's see here, initial central exchange listings, and then building forward. So yeah, not a lot of utility besides staking and NFTs. Besides that, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.